This short guide shows how to buy shares of Valerio Therapeutics SA. Valerio Therapeutics SA is a biotech therapeutics company, and its shares trade on Euronext under the ticker ALVIO.PA. This is an educational walkthrough and not financial advice. To buy any stock, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an ID document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker ALVIO.PA to find the listing. Make sure you select the Euronext listing that matches Valerio Therapeutics SA. On the stock page, review the basic company summary and the price chart to confirm this is the correct asset. Check the exchange and ticker again before moving to trade. Choose the investor trade option, enter the amount you want to invest, then review and confirm your order. If the market is closed, the platform may queue the order until it opens, and if you lack sufficient funds, you will be prompted to add them before confirmation. Your new position will appear in the portfolio once the trade is executed. For convenience, the related broker link is in the video description.